Can somebody get me a beer? Happy hour.
Okay, we're just rolling through Havelock, and we just pulled off. There's a as you're coming through Havelock, you'll see a big, long kind of boulevard that you can pull off right by the railway station. Good place to walk the dogs. So if you're rolling through here and you need to do that, this is a good spot to do that. And also there's LCBO, gas, Tim Hortons, and a few restaurants and that. So definitely a good place to take a break. They do have picnic tables set up and a little porta potty set up here too, so which always comes in handy. But yeah, great spot. All right, new week, new video. We are at Murphy's Point Provincial Park for second half of our holidays. So we are just going to take a walk around the park here with the dogs. We have been here before. Good park. But yeah, so we'll continue on and show you what's going on. One of the things here at Murphy's Point is you're camping in the woods opposed to like being kind of out in the open with just like a regular campsite spot. So it's really nice here. We haven't experienced this type of camping kind of in the woods at any of the other parks we've been to, pretty much. But yeah, so this is a kind of a neat concept for camping here. So this site behind me, number 58, would be good. It's nice and flat. It's not very wide, but it is flat, which is kind of hard to get here at Murphy's. A lot of the sites are sloped. The one we're on site 66, and it is flat somewhat, so it's pretty decent. So one of the things that should know about too for this park is, especially this park for us, is there are ticks. So they're really bad here, so you got to be careful about that. We have hiked the trails in the past and encountered a tick, so I would recommend staying off the trails, but to each his own. Do what you want to do, but we basically just walk the dogs on the roads here because of that. So just through the little valley here, you can see on the other side, hopefully you can see, they have a couple tents you can rent and a cabin as well here at Murphy's Point. It's nice that way. If you can get them, they're in a really good spot of the park. We've tried to get them in the past, but they go quick. But yeah, they're nice. As you can see what I mean about camping in the woods, it's kind of really cool here for that. All right, we just went through like a crazy rainstorm today. Like 110 km/h winds we were supposed to get, but we didn't, which was awesome because we are like surrounded by trees. So we just finished dinner. Gonna do some dishes now out here. Good times as always, right? And usually we do them inside, but because we're on holidays, we like to preserve our water in the trailer. So hot water, some soap, and good to go. So that's how we roll on the outside dishes on vacation. Another beautiful morning here at Murphy's Point. So today we're going to just head into Perth and gonna wash my truck because it needs it, and grab some groceries, and maybe go on a brewery tour. So try and find some craft breweries in the area. We'll see how the day rolls out. Okay, we just stopped here at the pump out. I'm gonna give you a quick what it's like to pump out the trailer. Don't have the trailer with us, but here you go. Okay, so I've been to many of these, and this one is, to say the least, not the greatest in my opinion. And it's really close to the edge there, as you can see. So it's really tight. If you have a long trailer, it's super tight to get in here. And as well as the water is right behind it, which you would obviously, coming in for the weekend, you would get first. It is pretty pretty tight too to get in this bend as you come in over here and come around. It if you have a long trailer and truck or whatever, you can get in, but it's you just got to watch. So yeah, it'd be great if they redid this, but anyway. So out of all the water fill-ups and pump outs we've been to, I would say that Murphy's Point is not the best, but it works. Yeah, so those are just my opinion on that. It works fine, but it's just a little bit tricky, so now you know. All right, just standing outside the Perth Craft Brewery here in Perth, Ontario. So we're just gonna go in and see what they have for a selection. All right, just came out, got us a 6-pack of variety at Perth Brewery, Perth, Ontario. Okay, we found another brewery here in Perth, Weatherhead Brewery. Never been here before, so we're gonna go in and see what it's all about, see what they have. The patio outside here, so we're just gonna hang out here and check out one of the flights that they have here, their beer at Weatherheads. So we'll just give you a little scan of this. It's looking good, looking good. Now we'll give it a try, see how it is. All right, so with their outdoor patio, which is actually outside of the actual patio area, you allow the dogs. So Claire and Gabby, hey Gabs, Gabby, yeah, having a good time. And then Lucy is
under the. Come on.
Yeah, I don't know that well.
There she is. Good times. Okay, we just got off the patio there after having a flight, so that was fun. Weatherhead Brewing Company in Perth, Ontario. So definitely check them out. They're local. They're been established since 2017. So definitely come down here and sit on the patio. Great staff, great fun. I highly recommend them. They're amazing. Another awesome time here at Murphy's Point Provincial Park. We had an amazing vacation. I'd highly recommend coming to this park. It's like I mentioned earlier, it's like natural camping in the woods, so it's pretty cool that way. So as always, I will give you a review of the site. So just it's a big site actually, and it's beach access, which is amazing. So I'll just give you a little shot of it here. So I'm basically standing at the road, so it is kind of narrow coming in, then it just opens right up, nice and big. Our trailer is 30 feet, as I always mention, just so you have a bit of perspective of the size of the site. And obviously fits on here with no issues. You could get a way bigger trailer on this site, in my opinion. And we've been to a lot of sites, so let's come around to the other road. There's a road on either side that you can come in and out of, basically. A nice fire pit, and just straight through there is the water to the beach. It's like a 30-second walk. So yeah, this is site 66. Definitely recommend it. Alright, that's it for now. So thanks for watching. Just hit that subscribe button, smash that like button if you like our channel. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you on down the road. Cheers.